If you've been struggling with these Amazon FBA seller fees, then this video is for you. I'm Morgan Rainey, but you can call me Lil Mo, and today I'm about to share with you exactly how you can opt out of these crazy Amazon inventory placement fees. I'm pretty sure Jeff Bezos is drunk again because these fees are insane, okay? He used to give you the option. Do you want to send your inventory to one place or another? Now, as of March 1st, if you do not change these settings, you are going to pay a lot more money. So if you want more money going to your family versus Jeff Bezos, you better pay attention. I'm Morgan, like I said, you can call me Lil Mo, and I am a $6 million Amazon seller. If you're new here, I'm so glad you ended up here. If you want to be the first Amazon millionaire in your family, smash that thumbs up button. If you haven't started yet, but you want to, comment get started below. So how exactly does this new fee work? That's probably the question. If you weren't paying attention and you've sent any shipments since March the 1st, you're going to pay attention when you see these fees coming out. So you used to have the option. Do you want to send everything to one shipment, to one center, and you would pay, maybe 30 cents a unit depending on the size? Now this is going to be mandatory, and this is going to cost you a lot of money because it starts at about 21 cents for items that weigh a pound or less. And if your item is 3 pounds to 20 pounds, you could pay up to 68 cents per unit to send these to one warehouse. So this is crazy. For 99% of sellers, this is not a good option. Lucky for you, it is very, very easy to opt out of this, and I am going to show you how. Since your time is money, let's get started. Some people overcomplicate Amazon FBA, but I explain everything like I'm talking to a third grader. So if you don't update your fees, this is what you're going to pay per unit. It's going to add up very, very quickly. So don't worry, because the most successful sellers always focus on profit, not fees. Here's how we're going to opt out of it. So you're going to log into your Amazon Seller Central account. You're going to go to this little settings, a little circle with the squigglies around it. You are going to go down to Fulfillment by Amazon. See how it has inbound settings right here? You want to click edit on that. Now this is so easy. They overcomplicate it so you don't understand it and they make more money, but you're here now, so that ain't gonna happen to you. So it has all these crazy different things, like, do you want partial shipment splits where you send your inventory to fewer locations, where you can pick if you're in the east, central, west. I'm in Louisiana, so that's why it automatically picked east for me. But I don't wanna pay any of these fees, so I am going to opt into the Amazon Optimized Shipment Splits. And then all I am going to do is hit update, and I am back to how things used to be. This is not going to be the last fees that are coming to Amazon, so if you don't want to miss out on how you can opt out of the future ones, make sure that you smash that thumbs up button, hit subscribe, because you don't want to miss out on any of our future totally free trainings we have coming. And if you need help starting your own Amazon journey, then head to the comments for exactly how. Until next time, y'all, go make that money.